What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and on this video it is going to be a trade recap on today's trades or trade that I took today. So let's go ahead and get started. So right here on NQ, I waited for the 8:30 market open, right? So I decided to see what would happen once market open, right? So I marked down basically my highs, or my not my highs, I'm sorry, but my lows basically right here. As you guys can see, we took out London sessions low on NQ, but we did not take it over here on ES, right? But still, it created a demand setup on ES. Same thing in NQ, created a 5-minute demand to the upside, taking out these highs, and as well as taking this one right here. All right, so let's just see what happens, right? So on the higher time frames, the thing that I didn't like about this trade was that in the higher time frames, it looks like we're kind of consolidating, but right here in this area, we have been bullish, but it looks like it's consolidating. But decided to take a trade on this just because, as you guys can see, we have been bullish. The only problem was that the 200 EMA is right there where we're literally trading at. So that was one of the downsides that I did not like. But so far we were bullish, and that basically what made me most likely be more confident in this trade is that we took out London sessions low on NQ and gave us a great reaction to the upside, giving us a good candle to the upside, and then creating this 5-minute demand zone right here that we have, which came back and tapped into. Did not go off of NQ. I went off of ES right here. So I decided to enter once this candle had gotten broken, which was a 18-point stop loss. I was going for a 1-to-1. Unfortunately, I did not get that and ended up getting stopped out, which obviously sucks because I really like this trade. But yeah, I think the problem was here in this trade was that we were basically off this level. Like, we were basically bouncing off of this level here that we haven't closed above. We rejected it once, twice, 3 times again. So I think that was the issue that happened during this trade. And as well as look at the 200, we rejected it on the higher time frames. Same thing as NQ, so which obviously did not go good. I did see a beautiful trade happen on gold. Let's retrace back, right? So look at the EMAs. If the EMA, the 200 EMA was on the middle, then obviously I would have avoided this trade or not even looked at it, because that means that we're going to consolidate, right? So now let's skip to market open. So this is market open, or not market open. This is market open right here. We have this 5-minute supply zone. All right, they already gave us a 13 EMA breakout that happened at 8:20, which I did not want to take because it is basically a pre-market setup. Right here on the higher time frames, we are overall bearish, but right here so far we are bullish in this area right here. But overall we are bearish, right? EMAs on the 5-minute as well are bearish. As you guys can see, during the Asia London session, we have been bearish. So a lot of people would like to do during New York is that they like to go for a counter trend setup. Reason why, because during Asia and London, if we're selling off, a lot of people think that we are too low for price and they continue to counter trend or something like that. But what I liked about this setup was that the EMAs were perfect. Yes, it did not come back to my 5-minute supply zone, but it did tap into this 15-minute supply zone right here, right? So I could have entered off, either break out the candle, right, stop loss right there, and I could have went for a 1-to-2 RR, which obviously it played out. And look at that beautiful trade, bro, for a 1-to-4 RR, right? This is such a good trade. But yeah, obviously I did not take this because I already had taken NQ, and it was just a big L for me. But like I said, I mean, I can't really do anything about this month, honestly. Hopefully this week goes good. I'll be trading tomorrow. I'll be trading Thursday. That's it. I won't be trading Wednesday or Friday because Friday is NFP. So I don't really want to trade that. I don't really trade Wednesdays. Um, well, we'll see. I may or may not. It depends on how I really like the setup. But um, but yeah. Other than that, it just sucks taking these types of setups and not playing out. And I am currently down 7% on the month, which is very very unfortunate. But like I said, I can't really do anything like that. But yeah, make sure you guys join the Discord. It is completely free. If you guys just want to chat up or anything, make sure to join that. We do have um we can chat up and stuff like that. So make sure to go join that. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram. But yeah, boys, that's gonna be it for this video. It's just super unfortunate how I took this L. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.